Hello and welcome to the Daily Message. Today I'll begin a two-part series on the prophetic role of the laity in the church today. I'll be speaking in the morning from 9:30 until 11 and this evening from 7 to 8:30. So on Monday and Tuesday I spoke about the Old Testament prophets and about the prophetic role of Jesus. And we can look to those two examples to see what our role is in the world today as prophets. Each one of us is called by our baptism to be a prophet in the world today. And how do we do that? First of all, we do that by understanding the covenant. And what do I mean by that? I mean God's law of love. There is only one commandment: to love God and to love the neighbor as we love ourselves. And what that means is we are called to love the neighbor, and that means every person on this earth as much and as deeply as we love God. There is no difference between the love of God and love of neighbor. So we're called to understand that, to internalize that, to make that a part of our mind, our heart, and our soul. And then we're called to look around us and understand the signs of the times and to see when that command to love the neighbor as we love God is not being carried out. And in particular, in those situations where people are being treated unjustly. It is our call as prophets to speak the truth, even to speak the truth to power. And then we're also called to face the consequences of our truth telling. Because we speak the truth with courage and with faith, we can expect to face ridicule and rejection. But that's part of our call as prophets. Our call as prophets is not always to be nice. Our call as prophets is to always speak the truth. Thank you once again for watching, and I hope you have a great day today.